Ndewono, ndị Igbo na amasị. Greetings to you lovers of Igbo. Unu abịala n'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. Welcome to today's lesson. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. Let's learn Igbo. Alright, so today we'll be learning some basics of Igbo language, our everyday expressions in Igbo. And so we're going to look at words that we use every day, for instance, like to call someone. You have one reason or the other to call someone. So to call someone, you say or that means call. So let's use it in sentences. Boya, call him or her. That's the meaning. That's the meaning. Or her, call them. Orom Emeka, call Emeka for me. So you can use that. So you can use any other name there. Orom Ifani, call Ifani for me. Or daddy, Orom daddy, call daddy for me. All right. You can also say Osim Ogi. So when you get to the person you are sent to call, you say Mommy Sim Ogi. Mommy said I should call you. Osim Ogi, he or she said I should call you. So you can use any name, you can use any pronoun. Then Ona Ogi, he or she is calling you. Daddy na Ogi, daddy is calling you. And you can also say, when you get to the person, you can say, Ina did you call me? Ikborom is, did you call me? Ina are you calling me? Did you send for me? The person may now answer, Anama Ogi, I am calling you. Or Akboromgi, I called you. So you can use that word in different, so it's a word we use every day. Akboromgi, I called you. Anama Ogi, I am calling you. Alright, another word we have like that is Juo, to ask. Jua Jujugi, ask your question. So you raise your hand in a class or somewhere and you are called, say, Jua Jujugi. It means you ask your question. So another one, Drum Ajuju, ask me questions. Drum Ajuju, ask me questions. You can also say Joha Ajuju, that ha there is them. Ask them questions. Joha Ajuju, ask them questions. They will answer. In Ajum, did you ask me? Are you asking me? Are you asking me that? In Ajum. In Ajum. So are you asking me? And then I can respond, say, Anama Ajugi. Anama Ajugi, I am asking you. Or Ajurumgi Ajuju, I asked you a question. So if you ask in Ajum, I say, Anama Ajugi. Did you ask me? Ijurum, that's did you ask me? I can say, Ajurumgi Ajuju. Ajurumga Ajuju. Ajurumgi. Alright. So another way you can say it, Ojurugi. Ojurugi. Onajugi. So maybe when you are discussing with someone and somebody interferes, they ask you a question and the person answers. You can say, Onajugi, did he ask you? Is he asking you? Or Jurugi, did he ask you? Onajugi, is he asking you? So you can also, that sentence can be a question, it can be a statement. Onajugi, did he ask you? Onajugi, he's asking you. Onajugi, did he or she ask you? Onajugi, he or she asked you. He's asking you. Inajuha, are you asking them? Ijuroha, did you ask them? So you can play with that. Ojuroha, did he or she ask them? Just change the pronouns or put any name there. Emeka Jurugi, did Emeka ask you? Emeka Jurefani, Did Emeka ask Ifeanyi? So play with it. Play with the words like that. Ejoroya, did you ask him or her? Ejoroya, did you ask him or her? Question. Okay, the next word we also play with like that. Za. Za, answer. Za, to answer. So zaoku. When you hear someone, when you hear a call, maybe you are sitting with a friend and the friend is called, you can tap the friend and say zaoku, answer a call. Then the person may ask, Onyeporom, who called me? Onyeporom, who called me? Zaokugi, answer your call. It could be a phone call. Zaokugi, answer your call. So the person may now ask again, Onyenapom, who is calling me? Onyeporom, who called me? Onyenapom, who is calling me? Onyeporom, who called me? Then za ajuju, answer a question. Za ajuju, answer a question. I also say keda ajuju. What question is that? Keda ajuju. What question is that? It can also be zayoku, answer his or her call. So what is calling tap? Zayoku, answer this person calling you. Zayoku, answer his or her call. It can also be zahajuju, answer their question. Zahajuju. So this za, use it in different contexts. You can also say zam ajuju, answer my question. Zam ajuju, answer my question. Zaya ajuju, answer his question. Zanya ajuju, answer our question. Gini ke jurum, what did you ask me? I can now say, Gini ke jurum, what did you ask me? Jurum gini, what did you ask me? So you can say that. So in this video, we just did 3 verbs. So we did po, to call, draw, to ask questions, and then za, to answer a call or to answer question. So we'll do more of that in our next video. Just teach you simple Igbo words that you can play around with the pronouns and different names in different contexts. So Imeela, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share. So in our next video, we'll talk more about our everyday expressions, words that we use in our everyday interaction. So kemesia, see you in our next video.